Hello y'all, Trainman 611 here. We have a MARC train stopped here. We're at this station currently outside of Baltimore, and it sounds like it's about to get moving. Let's see what we got. This is the first ever MARC train on this channel. Yeah! Horn salute! Yeah! MP36H3C. Double-decker coaches. And here comes our end. Very cool. And that's a cab car too. It's like a K5LA on the top there. Alright. If you want more stuff like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, we'll see y'all on the next one. Trainman 611, out.